Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to model different kind of lattice structures in Ansys Spaceclaim R19.2. For this purpose, I will create some geometry. I'm creating a sphere right now, and I will give it a diameter of 10 mm, and I will zoom it. Now, now I will go to facets and go to shell. I will give inside direction thickness 1 mm and I will select this solid and I will go to basics and I will now go to lattices and I will create this pattern, three-dimensional lattice infill pattern first. So I have selected the pattern and now I will select this icon to select the face of the surface area of the sphere, and I will select the surface area of the sphere, and it has automatically taken the values of length and thickness, and I will keep this constant or remain as it is, and I will now click the right here. You can see that the lattices are formed in the form of facets, and I will now create them into solid. I will not merge the faces to save my time. You can opt the option as per your choice. It will take less than a minute to complete. It is still working on it. Yes. Now you can see that the this lattice structure pattern has been made in the form of a sphere inside a sphere, and I will now go to design to watch more views of this geometry. This is the isometric view of the geometry, and this is the trimetric view of the geometry. And now this is the front view of the geometry. So in this way, I have prepared this infill pattern. Now I will prepare some more lattice patterns. So I will undo this all, undo, again undo, again undo, and I will again prepare a sphere for diameter 10 mm, and I will zoom it. I will go to facets, shell. I will go to lattices. I will this time select this pattern cube lattice with side diagonal supports. I will select this solid, and I will select this icon. I will select this icon, and now I will select the surface area of the sphere so that we can watch the infill patterns very clearly. And now I have selected, and it has automatically taken some values. And I will keep as it will take less than a. Now the lattices are formed in the form of facets, and I will convert them into solids, and I will not merge the faces to save my time. You can select the option, and yes, it will take less than 1 or 2 minutes to complete. It is still working on it. So friends, you can see that the lattices are made in the form of solid, and now I will see some more views. This is isometric view of the shape lattice structure, and I will see trimetric view. This is trimetric view, and one more. I will see its front view. So you can see how beautiful it is looking at the screen, and in this way you can prepare this lattice structure. And I will take some other example. I will undo this all. I will again undo this. I will again undo this. I will again prepare a I will again prepare a 10 mm to showcase some other lattice structures, and I will zoom it, and I will go to facets, shell. I will go to lattices, and this time I will select this cube lattice with bottom center without vertical supports, and I will select this solid and this icon to select the outer surface. I have selected this. Now in this time I will increase the length of the um, structure, say 2 mm, and we'll go to facets, shell, and lattices, and this time I will take some outer surface pattern, which will not be in the volume of the object, but it will be only in the outer surface of the object or the model. So now I will select this pattern, triangle surface faceted lattice. It means the triangles will be outside it, the surface of the sphere, and I will select this icon, and I will select this solid, and I will select this face, and I will select the uh, outer surface, and it has already taken some values, and I will keep this as it is, and I will right click here, and you can see that the structures has been made, and I will convert them into solid, and I will not merge the faces to save my time, and yes, and it will take less than a minute to complete. It is still working on. It will take less than a minute to complete. It is being converted into solid, and that's why it is taking time. So the solid has been made, and you can see how beautiful it is looking. I will see its another views in design tab. I will go to isometric view. You can see its isometric view. You can see its trimetric view, and you can see its front view as well. So this is the example of lattice structure, of triangular lattice structure in the surface area of the sphere. And we can take another example as well. For this, I will undo this process. Again, I will undo this process. Again, I will undo this. I will again prepare a sphere of 10 mm, and I will go to, I will zoom it first, and I will go to facets, shell, lattices, and this time I will create hexagon surface. I select lattice. I will select this icon, I will select this solid, and I will select this icon to select the outer surface of this sphere. And it has already taken some values, and I will change these values for this time. And I will take a length of 2 mm and a thickness of 0.3 mm, and I will right click now, and the faces has been made, and I will convert them into solid. I will not merge the faces. I will select yes. It will take less than a minute to complete. So friends, you can see that how good it is looking at, and we have prepared hexagon surface faceted lattice structure. So in this way, you can prepare different kind of lattice structures in Ansys Spaceclaim R19.2. It was if the video was helpful, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.